We have Shimmer and Shine, and this is what was in the pack. And we have like a notebook kind of thing, so we can color things on this. Even you can draw Shimmer here or Shine. And we have like 3 markers. We have purple, pink, and blue. And we have 2 pairs of stickers. Let's start coloring it in. Black scissors today. Wow. Ooh, this is a book. So we have like a cool Shimmer and Shine book. And you can draw your name here. And we have pages to draw things like animals or Shimmer and Shine. You can even do that. We have cool Shimmer and Shine stickers. We have 4 boards and 2 shimmers and 2 shines. The colors, I'm gonna open it. We have some pink, purple, and blue. I'm gonna start with Shimmer. Her hair goes pink. Ooh, this pink is like kind of peaches, but I like it. So when we pop it out, we can like pop this too, and you just put it here. It's like a stand, it can even stand. Done. I'm just in the inside of her hair, like the head part. Okay, we're done with her hair. Now I'm gonna do like her jewels on her head. In the package, they didn't really give all the colors, so we're gonna use my Sharpie. I'm gonna color the dots in with green. Indigo is gonna go in here. Ready to do her face and peach. Is this good? Maybe. Her hand. Rings and her earrings go in this color. I mean, what we put them in. Okay, now inside her eyes. Purple is going to be her. Now I'm going to do the light purple for her shoes and her shirt. This kind of yellow because we don't have golden for these bracelets. There, now we're done. Ta-da! You can pop it out. Boom! She's so cool. Now I want her to stand, so we're gonna pop the stand. I'm just gonna teach you how you use it. Just put here, her here. You see this like hole and you see this hole. We're just gonna both put them together. Just like this. And ta-da, we have our stand. She's ready. Okay, next I'm gonna do Shine. Okay, blue hair. I'm gonna start with blue hair. There, now it's perfect. I'm gonna do her headband. Done. There, right there. Now her tongue. Face. This peach. She has a purple eye. So I'm gonna color in purple. Actually, it's cool because she has purple eyes. The yellow part, I'm just gonna color the whole belt in yellow. This part. Now the necklace. This pink. And where's another gem? Here, 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 and here. And the necklace. Wait, where's the gem? Oh, here it is. Now I'm done with her. Now I'm gonna pop her out. Ooh, she's looking pretty. Why didn't I even throw this? We have to put her stand. Shine. Let's go play. Alright. Yay. Wait, why do we even have these markers? I colored in here. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button. Touch and you can watch a lot of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye!